Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Andreanna, and today we'll be doing an makeup inspired look by the Little Mermaid. I don't watch it yet, but I'm going to soon. But I thought I would do a makeup look that's inspired by the movie, and I chose this color palette on Pinterest. I think I have some other colors, so yeah, I think I can do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get straight into the video. So the first palette in this scheme is the red. I thought I would use this color shadow palette, 15 colors eyeshadow collection, and this red. This is my favorite red, so I'll be using that, and the Zoya eyeshadow in number 854. This on my crease. Hopefully work. Lord have mercy. That don't look too bad. We're doing the same on the other eyelid. For my eyes, I use the Anastasia eye primer. My first time using it, and you know bad. So after that, I'll just use the green from the Juvia's Place Warrior palette. What if this green is too bright? I think it's the right color. But yeah, we're going into that green. So we're tapping into this green right here. I'm putting it, tapping it above the red. We're going to do the same to the other eye. Just tapping motions into the eyelid. Don't worry, just trust the process, right? After that, you have a lighter green. Do I have that? I think we'll tap into this right here. I think that is the color. Let's hope that it shows. I hope all of it can hold on my eyelid. Maybe I forgot to shape up my eyebrow. Kidding. Am I? Guessing the difference? So yeah, that's done with. Then the next color is this pastel purple. So let's see. I think I'm supposed to have it. Yeah, I have this one. This looks like lavender. But do I have another pastel color? Pastel purple. I have purple right here. This. But is it giving pastel? I need a matte. What do you guys think? I like this one. I don't know. I would have another something with this right now. But let's blend first and then add that. Red blending brush. And it's the same company, Zoria. And this is in 852. So let me start the steps over again. With eyeshadows, you never go in once. You have to go in like 2 or 3 times, you know, to make sure the colors are shown, you know. It's giving Rasta colors, right? Is it giving it a mermaid? Oh god. Oh, we'll change your name in due time if it's not giving that. let's go back into hair. This, I would call this like a beginner's makeup. You just make sure, just use pat motions as you go above the lid. And make sure you dust off the excess eyeshadow. Go back into this light green right here. Tapping off the excess. Let's see if it will work. So dip the brush in the product, the grease high bud, and we'll be cutting the crease now. Are we adding the pastel colors now? Or the purple? It's my phone. I don't want to add my shimmer on this. I don't want the shimmer. So I'll be using this color right here. I'll be adding the deeper purple. So, yeah, this purple. I forgot using. Juvia's Place, the same part that I show you guys. So, yeah. Using the elf liner now. Yes, the girl been using eyeliner for a few months now. And first of all, you're not gonna look on no tutorial how to do nothing. I just do it until I get better. That's just how I do things. I don't look at nothing. Hope so I never bother spoil me. But I just cry. I'm base and I'll be right back. Okay. You guys, I'm finally finished. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. This is for beginners. Anybody can do this. Yeah, I am a firm believer that practice makes perfect, and yeah, I enjoyed it. But I just think the green was a little bit too much for me, but still it's another. If you liked it, you know, I believe so much try. Just don't forget to like, subscribe and share, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.
Ooh! Girl, you ate that scrundly yum yum a purr purr.